Hey guys, today I just wanted to talk about a really cool website, and this is not sponsored. It's just I wanted to put this out there for newer developers or somebody who's just getting started with front-end web development, or if you're just editing some templates where you are not comfortable with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The link is in the description, but scrimba.com is definitely the best way on the web currently to become a front-end developer. The visual aspects of it with regards to everything that's happening on the client side. You can just go ahead to scrimba.com without even having to sign up. If you go to all courses, you can click on the free. You can learn frameworks like Svelte for free. Anki is actually using Svelte now, from what I've seen in the source code, and you can learn UI design fundamentals. I think this one is free too. Introduction, so let's say you need to style something. You go here, Introduction to CSS, and just click Unlock Course. Let's say sign up here. I'm just going to create a user for now, but you can use whatever you want. So enter there. I'm going to click sign up, and then I now have an account. I can click get started, and you can hit play.
Welcome to this introduction to CSS.
Okay, so I usually, when I'm on Scrimba, I usually watch everything in 2x. So let me get the speed down, and then.
CSS stands for cascading style.
So you can see here you have the presenter who's going to talk about, the teacher who's going to talk about a specific topic. But you can, any moment in time while the speaker is talking about the topic, you can jump into the code editor and start editing stuff. You have a mini browser, so it's very interactive, right? You could start changing stuff very fast, and in Anki, especially if you're working with flashcards, you can get to see stuff and you can resize. So let's add a background here. Let's call this hot pink, and let's set the height to 100 VH. Bam, and let's see how that looks like. Actually, I think I want to make the font just a little bit bigger. Font size, and let's make it based on the viewport, right? No, there. So the width will design it. See, a small font gets smaller based on the width, right? Isn't that cool? Then you can save your note and then continue learning, right? So basically, this is an amazing way to learn by doing, right? You're not stuck in the rut of, like, here, for example, he's talking, teaching you stuff, and then you can pause and then you can say, okay, I don't actually understand it. Let me try to do something here. I want this want to be in tomato style. So just go in here, add a span. Let's call this tomato text and paste that in, bam. And go into the style and then say tomato. Now I forgot the name, let me go back. Tomato text, that was it, right? And yeah, there, now it works. I just forgot to save, right? So you can see, you write code, learn, and then you can continue. Teacher speaking, right? So this is a really nice way, guys, to get started, and I definitely recommend you go check it out. And it's here you get the dashboard, you can join their community, you can learn about upcoming events. But for especially people who just need to do some quick web stuff, you have an existing template or website, you need to do something, then this can help you get started fast with the introduction to HTML, introduction to CSS, introduction to ES6, especially if you're not familiar with specific JavaScript syntaxes. So yeah, I hope this was useful for you if you're new to coding, and happy coding, my friend.